you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to come on again. I've already done a video. If you haven't seen it already, I showed my penny shopping experience for them this morning, but I wanted to come back on and show you guys this concept so that I can move it off of my table. I've gotten where I really don't like to show y'all gifts after they're already shrink wrapped because it's so hard for you, I think, for you guys to see them around the shrink wrap and the ring light. Is, it's just all the things. So anyway, I wanted to show this to you before I wrapped it up. These are some of my t-shirt concepts that I am doing for Mother's Day. I am going to do some more, but these were my first ones, and I need to go ahead and get these wrapped up and move to the side so I can get to something else. So I wanted to show you guys kind of what I'm doing with some of my t-shirts. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna start right here. I'm gonna go from left to right. This is my one of my gifts, and let me say this: all of my t-shirts that I have right here were t-shirts that I pressed. I got the images from Temu. I purchased t-shirts and I pressed the images on the t-shirts. So that's what these are. So these are images that I purchased and that I pressed on the shirts myself. I do have a couple of shirts that I purchased already with the images on them, but they're to match some bags that I had. But other than that, most of the shirts that you're going to see me do, as well as some outfits, because I'm doing some outfits for Mother's Day as well, some little short sets. Those are going to be sets that I have pressed the image on at myself, okay? Now, back to what I was trying to show you. So this one right here is an image. I've had both of these images here since last year. I just had the two left, so I decided to go ahead and use them, get them out of my stockpile. I think they're very, very cute. I decided to add this little purse right here, and one of the little cigar colognes. I put one of my bubble baths here, right here, and then I put some sunglasses. Now, in the back of this, I did use, and I'm going to turn it very easily, y'all, because it's propped up. That's why it's sitting against the wall. I got some of the slides that I have from, y'all know where we get the slides from. So anyway, I put some slides back there, and that's what makes that gift up. I think it turned out really cute in this little cute basket that we got from Walmart. So that's that one. So y'all, this is the showstopper. I told you I'm falling in love with the yellow. The yellow is doing its thing for me, okay? So I'm going to scoot this out of the way. I'm going to turn this to the side just a little bit so you guys can see this yellow in its full glory, okay? On this one right here, this is a Best Mom shirt. Again, I got this image. I got that image last year as well. I had a yellow bear and this Bodycology. This is Bodycology, the Sun Kissed Lemon. It's the body cream, the body wash, the body spray, and then I had one of these cups. I can't pull it up, y'all, but y'all know one of the what do you call it, ombre cups from the Dollar Tree. And then I put that little yellow purse in there. Oh, and don't forget the body scrub right here. So y'all, I think that turned out absolutely beautiful. So that one, this is my favorite out of all of them. So anyway, I did that one. Now next is the same image on a light pink shirt. I did put some slippers in the back to match that shirt. I put the dark pink purse in this one. And then I put this little Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction set here in the front, and some hand sanitizer and sunglasses in this one. So I think that one turned out really, really beautiful. And last, you guys, this is one of my newer images that I just got. The Amazing Mom one is what I'm going to call it. It's the black and pink shirt. So I had this shirt right here. I did not put any slippers in here, but I did put this queen hat in here. I purchased several of these queen hats last year, you guys, from Family Dollar. They had them on clearance. I can't remember, like $2 or something like that. So I have several of those. So that is that one. And then I put this this necklace and earring set. I thought that was a really, really cute set, black, to go with that black shirt. And then I put a crossbody, some black sunglasses, and some hand sanitizer. I put a little pink rose in there to just finish, I think, give it its finishing touch. Now, I may change those sunglasses. Those sunglasses kind of look a little dark, but I think they match the earrings, so I don't know. Y'all tell me what you think. You think I change the sunglasses, leave the sunglasses, or what? But anyway, these are my 4 t-shirt sets that I'm getting ready to wrap up. Now on this one, I've got to get some more stickers to go on the front of my buckets. I'm running out of stickers. I went to $1 Tree earlier and they didn't have any stickers, so I got to go back to another one when I go out in a little bit and check that one and see if they have any stickers so I can put on the front of that bucket, because that just looks naked to me. But anyway, y'all, I just wanted to come on and show y'all what I was doing. Again, like y'all have probably about 25 to 30 gifts staged all over everywhere. So I've got to clean off my workspaces so that I can move on to the next thing. And that means wrapping them up and, so I can go on. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all tell me what you think and tell me how much you think you would charge for these. I haven't even thought that process through. I normally do that, but I haven't thought that process through this time. I guess I'm just trying to get gift concepts out, y'all, because we have such a short time. But anyway, done rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if nobody has told you today, you are loved, you are enough, and we are all treasures in our daddy's treasure chest. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye, y'all.